Sewer cleaning company is exactly what it says it does. We clean sewers. That's why we picked the name. We are a hydrojetting company, a sewer contractor. We perform camerings to homeowners that have queries, questions of what might be going on in their sewers or drains. Then we come in and we hydrojet. We have the capacity to repair any broken lines with our excavation team, if it's a point repair, if it's a full line replacement. You're calling me at your most vulnerable moment, when your basement is either getting infiltrated with water, sewage is backing up, usually from the lower drains or the utility sink, your toilets don't flush, your drains don't drain anymore, and you're in panic mode. That's when you're calling because you don't know what to do. You just call the tech. We operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, nonstop.
Right over the top now.
What happens when we come out is usually we'll take an evaluation of what's going on. We try to always put a camera in the line so we can see what we're getting into. The camera can't always see underwater, so if the line is 100% blocked, we're going in blind. Usually we'll lead then with the hydrojetter to remove the debris and the clog, get that flowing down the line, come back with the camera, see what caused it. Is there a compromised pipe? Is there roots in the line? What's going on that caused the issue? From there, we can assess what we need to do to make a permanent repair if needed. If you're experiencing a gurgling sound when you run your kitchen sink, your vanity, flush the toilet, or the shower for that matter, if you hear gurgling, there's a sign that something's not breathing. Your pipes have to breathe. There's air that goes in to allow them to flow faster. When you have a blockage, you've reduced the amount of airflow that allows those drains to drain properly. So you'll hear this bubbling, gurgling sound. It's usually a good indication that something's afoot, something's arise, and something needs to be cleaned out. You know, we are the home of the free video drain inspection to our first-time residential clients. So it's worth it to just make a phone call, see what we can do, see if there is something there. There may not be anything, but at least you have peace of mind. We say exactly what we do. We're not plumbers, we're not trying to upsell anybody on anything. We do pretty much one thing. We just clean sewers. We itemize our prices so you know what it is before we walk out of the truck. You know what the price is going to be. Everything's boilerplated. We don't have a sliding scale, so we really take our time with our customers to put them at ease because you're in panic mode. You know, you can't go to the bathroom, your basement's filling up with sewage. You're scared, you're nervous, and we take the time to make them feel at ease throughout the process.